What is going on, investors? I have some major news that I need to bring to your attention. I have also been buying aggressively two companies that we've spoken about on this channel before. I also recently bought and sold a company that went absolutely parabolic. And myself and my Discord, we made some incredible profits in a relatively short space of time on this company. But I still like this company long term. But the most important news that I need to bring to your attention is what you can see here. Your boy had a baby. We had a baby boy. His name's Ezekiel, as you can see here. Yeah, I'm just over the moon, and that's why I haven't been consistent with my uploads as of late. We've got a new bundle of joy keeping us awake at night. But yeah, YouTube, I would like you to meet Ezekiel. He's the latest member of our investing community, the Generational Wealth Builders community here on YouTube and also my Discord. And he's just been amazing, man. He's just been absolutely amazing. So yeah, I was involved from the get-go, as you can see here. But I mean, this has been an absolute miracle. And yeah, just it's amazing. So I'm now a dad of two. Can you believe that? I'm a dad of two. My firstborn is 4 years old, and this little munchkin right here is just a couple of weeks old. So that's the biggest life update right now. So if you have been wondering, where have I been? Why have I not been consistent? This is why. All right. However, going forward, we should be back to 3 to 4 videos a week like we typically do. So thank you for your patience once again. All right, now moving on to the stocks that I've been buying quite aggressively recently. First up is HIMS, okay? This company has been incredible. Let me update you with my position. We're currently sitting on 2,670 shares of HIMS. Remember, in my HIMS update video, I said to you my target is to get to 3,000 shares. And ideally, I would love to get my average below $9. Right now, we're sitting on 2,670 shares with a cost basis, or my average price is $9.19. So we're not quite below $9, which would have been more ideal. So I would welcome any slight weakness that we may see in the stock. If we don't, I might just hold out until at least Q3 and then potentially top up or complete my position then. But right now, we're sitting on 2,670 shares and we're currently down -3% at the moment, but I have no problems. Now, let me give you some updates with regards to HIMS. First of all, HIMS announced that they've partnered with Revolve, okay? And the goal is to help more consumers access high-quality, personalized health and wellness solutions. Now, this was announced only a couple of days ago on September 14th, 2021. But Revolve have wasted no time in listing our products. Let's take a look here. So we're on Revolve's website, and as you can see, they're really pushing our Hers products on Revolve. As you can see, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of our products listed here. And also, if you check out Revolve on Instagram, they've also been posting about Hims and Hers products. You can see all of our products here. I mean, I just love the branding. I absolutely love the Hims and Hers branding. And yeah, and if you're not familiar with Revolve, they have quite a huge following on IG. So they have what are they at? They have 4.8 million followers on the gram. And I remember with my last HIMS update, we partnered with the NFL player, was it Gronkowski, who also has millions of followers. So guys, this is aggressive marketing from Andrew Dudum and also Hims and Hers. But not only that, remember our new brand ambassador for Hers? Do you remember her name? Her name was Miley Cyrus. Look at this. I posted this on my Twitter and I also shared it with the YouTube community. Look at this subway station in the US. You can see there's a picture of Miley all across the ceiling here. Kiss acne goodbye. You've got Miley Cyrus, again, a popular figure. You can see it's there. You can also make out, you can see that blue thing there. So literally this whole tram is pretty much Miley Cyrus. I've got another picture of Miley Cyrus right here. And I think this is an incredible partnership and also raises more awareness about Hims and Hers as we slowly but surely, hopefully, become a household name. And this will all contribute towards growing our top line. So very happy with the aggressive marketing that I can see. But don't forget, Hims, as well as the partnership with Revolve, we also partnered with Urban Outfitters, remember, a couple of months ago. If you go on Urban Outfitters website, you can see our products here. We have the Hims Blur Men's Concealer. You have the regrowth treatment. Don't start with the bold jokes, all right? Do not start with the bold jokes. But yeah, our partnership with Urban Outfitters is live. You can purchase Hims products right on their website. And again, Urban Outfitters is the perfect fit for our target audience, which is the millennial generation. So with HIMS, I would welcome any weakness in the stock price. We're currently testing a key support level at $8.61. We've bounced off it. We've bounced off it quite a number of days, actually. And we tested resistance here at $9.12. It seems primed to probably break out, but if it doesn't break out and we pull back and maybe test support at $8.21, I would probably complete my position and try and see if I can get my average below $9. Now, next up, we have OPENDOOR. I have been aggressively buying OPENDOOR. The company recently announced a secondary stock offering of 28 million shares. Now, there was initially a lot of panic when this news first surfaced, and as a result, you can see it traded down 4.3%. And myself and my Discord took advantage of this opportunity and strengthened our position, because the stock dropping over 4.3% off the back of this news was pure pessimism. Okay, let me tell you why. So in the OPENDOOR channel of my Discord, I explained to my Discord members that this was a great buying opportunity, because even though they announced a secondary public offering, that we as shareholders are not being diluted, because it's simply a whale that is selling 28 million shares. So one whale is selling 28 million shares of their common stock. They're essentially cashing out, but OPENDOOR is not selling any shares and will not receive any proceeds from the proposed offering. The proposed offering will not change the number of shares of common stock that are currently outstanding. So in a sense, we are not getting diluted. And I also shared the breakdown with my Discord. So this is the whale that will be selling SVF Excalibur Cayman Limited. Before the offering, they were sitting on 73.6 million shares, and that gave them a 12.4% ownership of the outstanding common stock. Okay, now the number of shares that they're going to be selling or being offered is 28 million shares. So essentially, even after this offering, they will still be sitting on 45.6 million shares of OPENDOOR and still own a 7.7% stake in the business. So now we know that to be a fact, and the stock was down as a result of this news, even though it's not bad news at all. Shoot, I loaded. So I loaded. I'm now sitting on 1,000 shares. So the last time I updated you with regards to OPENDOOR, we were sitting on 500 shares, but I've now since doubled my position. I've got my average down to about $17.50. The position is currently up about 1.51%, but my goal with this position is to get it to 2,000 shares. Okay, I want to get my position in OPENDOOR to 2,000 shares, and then I'll consider my position fully built. If you look at the stock price, we bounced off this support level here at $16.91, and we are now approaching a key level of resistance at $18 roughly. If it bounces off that resistance and pulls back again and drops below my average, I will continue to buy more, but essentially I'll be buying more around this support level here. Now, moving on to a stock that I sold recently. Okay, so this was a stock that I actually purchased on the 7th of September. So literally it was only last week. I notified my Discord that, hey guys, just started a small position in Offerpad, ticker symbol OPAD, at $10.51. Okay, I only picked up 150 shares. Remember, it's a startup position. They successfully completed their merger last week, and if you watched my YouTube video yesterday or have been in the Airbnb OPENDOOR Offerpad channel, I highlighted them as the main pure play competitor to OPENDOOR. However, they recently became profitable with growing top lines, a very good balance sheet, and a decent cash flow statement. It's still a small position for now. I am bullish on the iBuyer industry, but I still need to conduct my DD on the CEO and also founder Brian Bear. So I picked up Offerpad at $10.51. And as you can see, the stock had an absolutely insane run up. We ran up to $20.87. And then I notified my Discord that, hey guys, I just sold shares to the value of my initial investment of OPAD at a 92% return. I'll be leaving my profits in play till Q3 earnings as we planned in Emmanuel's research. Congrats to everyone who grew their wealth with this investment. And yeah, Offerpad was the stock that I sold. It had an absolute crazy run up. It was absolutely fueled by greed and investor optimism. And we all know what Benjamin Graham says about optimism. The intelligent investor sells to optimists and we buy from pessimists. So we were buying when the stock was around here. We sold around here. Job done. We made close to 100% on our money. and we couldn't ask for anything more. So that's what I've been up to recently. We should get back to our normal schedule of 3 to 4 videos a week. If you are interested in knowing what I'm doing in real time though, the only place where you're going to get that information is via my Discord group. You can join my Discord group via the Patreon link below. I am constantly on there regardless, even if I'm holding my baby. I'm on my Discord, updating all my members. And on top of that, it's not just what I'm buying and selling. If you want to have access to my research notes, as you can see, I posted one with regards to OPENDOOR. I did a private Discord members only video with regards to Offerpad, okay? I highlighted my short-term concerns with regards to Offerpad in this video. Again, this is content not available on YouTube. Only my Discord members get that information. I got all my research notes here. If you want access to all of that, my Patreon link is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.